got one on that rod too.
Nice little guy right there. There's a little leech dragging with that critter.
Don't go by the motor. Get out of there.
I want to see you lip him.
I'm going to kiss him if I get him in the boat.
That one's lipping. Oh yeah, that's nice. This one here is just an old twister tail. I don't even know what color it is. I've had it for years. Just a little 1/8 ounce blackhead, just working it slow and twitching it every so often. Nice fish. Jimmy Houston lip job, but I ain't kissing him. Not my type.